I pray to say Hugo Bruce. I can't at least about one long overseas all of a sudden now. You know, you see that happening with teams. They play with local guys when they qualify. All of a sudden now, people are being called, oh no, my grandfather was South African. You know, my grandfather was in South Africa. My great-grandfather, man, was in South Africa. I must play. You must. No. Then they're going to show us miracles. We don't want those things of, no. You know, my aunt is from South Africa. I'm told I was born in Soweto. Yeah, I was born in Soweto. I'm now on my South African citizenship. Whoa. We're sharing our players. We have our players. We must go with the people that got us there.
Again, TK, all the rejects, I use the word rejects, all the rejects in Europe will now want to know that they're Africans. That's another problem. All the rejects, they've rejected them in France, they've rejected them in England, they've rejected them in Portugal, rejected them in Spain. Now they will say, my grandfather, grandmother, auntie, brother is African. Now they now want to associate with Africans. After these young boys have fought themselves, paid the price, worked so hard to qualify for the World Cup, we should allow these strangers to stay in their country. Don't come and destabilize the teams that have qualified. The guys that have worked must eat. The guys that have qualified